Children, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed the lesson 7 haircut of workbook. Children, today I am going to demonstrate your next poem of English literature course book, that is The Snare. This poem is about the poet and a rabbit. Rabbit is hiding somewhere and he's crying in the pain, but the poet is unable to find out him. The poet is James, who is searching the rabbit crying in pain, and there is a trap for him to catch the rabbit, and he's continuously crying and searching for help, but nobody is there to help him. This is the poem. So today I am going to continuing with your new chapter, the snare poem. You all have to go through the poem. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally. Also, children, let's begin with the poem, The Snare. Okay, students? Good morning, students. This is the poem, The Snare, in English Literature course book. So I am going to tell you about the poem. This poem is written by James Stephens. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Means I hear a sudden cry of pain. Means here the poet is telling that he is listening some sound of cry in a pain. Somebody is crying in a pain, but there is a rabbit in a snare. Snare means trap. It is a device to use to catch the animals. It is snare means trap. So the poet is listening some sound. It is a cry of pain. Somebody is crying in a pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Means he is in a trap. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Now I am again listening a cry. Somebody is some small animal is crying in a pain, but I cannot tell from where. Means sound is coming from where I cannot tell. I am unable to tell it. Okay. So next is, but I cannot tell from where he is calling out for aid. Aid means help. Aid means help. Means the small animal means rabbit. You are seeing in the picture also that one trap is in his leg. It is bounded his leg, so he is unable to move from here. So the poet is saying that I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Snare means trap. It is a device used to catch animals. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Means sound is coming from where he is unable to search out. But I cannot tell from where he is calling out for aid. Means the small animal is crying and he is calling for help, but I am unable to help him because I am not seeing where he is or where it is. So crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Crying on the frightened air means he is continuously crying. So in the air some frightening noise is there. Making everything afraid. That's why everything is like shivering. So making everything afraid means the poet is also in a fear that where a small animal is trapped and I am unable to find him out. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face means the animal is, his face is shrink with fear. His small little face is shrink with fear. And he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. Now the poet is saying that he is crying again. for help, but I cannot find the place that where the rabbit is. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Means the small animal rabbit is trapping in a with a rope, but I am unable to search him out. He is crying for the help, but I am helpless. I am not able to find him out. So I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Snare, again I am saying, it is a trap. It is a device used to catch the animals. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Now the poet is again saying that little one means little animal, oh little animal, I am searching everywhere, but I am unable to find you out. Where are you? So here the James Stephens, who is the poet, he is unable to find him out where the rabbit is trapped in with a snare. So again I am repeating, I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Means the poet is listening some sound in a cry of pain, but there is a rabbit in a snare, in a trap. But now I hear the cry again. He is again listening the same sound, but I cannot tell from where. But he is unable to find him out. But I cannot tell from where he is calling out for aid. Means the poet is saying that I don't know from where he is calling out to me for aid, means help. Crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid, means now there is shivering in the air, frightening noise is continuously coming from somewhere, but he is unable to say that where the sound is coming. Making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. Wrinkling means shrinking. His face is shrink with fear that he is trapped, but nobody is coming for help. And he cries again for aid. He is crying again for help, and I cannot find the place. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Means the trap, the long rope is tightening his leg, but he is unable to go out from there. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. So students, go through this poem, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta, and learn this poem up to 8 lines. Okay beta, thank you.